All right, here's a question where you're asked to rationalize the denominator. So to rationalize the denominator, what we'll do is we'll multiply both the top and the bottom by the conjugate of the bottom, or the conjugate of the denominator. So the bottom will be 6 root 7. Instead of a minus, it'll be plus root 42. And if I do that on the bottom, I have to do it on the top. Plus root 42. Okay, I'm going to put brackets around all these so I can recognize that it's multiplying. So in the top, if I multiply that, I get 1 times 6 root 7 is just 6 root 7. And then 1 times root 42 is just plus root 42. And then root 6 times 6 root 7 will be a minus 6 root 42. And then I'm searching for the right color. Green. We'll go green. And then minus 6 times root 42. So that'll be minus root whatever 6 times 42 is. Okay. All over. We'll FOIL all these things now. So this times this will be 36 root 49. This times this will be plus 6 root whatever 7 times 42 is. And then this times this is minus 6 times whatever 7 times 42 is. Those will cancel. And then root 42 times, negative root 42 times a positive root 42 will just be a negative 42. Because that's root 42 times root 42, that's the same as root 42 squared, because there are 2 of them, and the 2 cancels that out. So you just have a 42 there. All right, now let's simplify. So I have 6 root 7, and then this is 1 root 42, so 1 minus 6 would be minus 5 root 42 minus root. Now, I did sort of leave that as a product because I can change this to 6 times 6 times 7, right? 6 times 7 is the 42 up there. Okay, over 36, square root of 49 is just 7. Okay, minus 42, because these 2 cancel out. Okay, let's keep going. So this will be 6 root 7 minus 5 root 42 minus, the 2 6's will come out, so there'll be a 6 root 7 all over 36 times 7, 42, 252 minus 42. Is that right? I think that's right. Okay, is equal to, on the top, this cancels with that. So all I have is minus 5 root 42 over 210, I think. Oh, that's nice. And 5 will go into 210. So it'll be negative root 42 over whatever 210 divided by 5 is. So it'll go 42. Oh, there we go. And there's my answer. All right, hopefully that helps you with that one. Lots of little places, like you look at all the work that happened there, lots of places where you could go off the tracks.